In this video, we are going to learn gradient of a line. Gradient of a line tells us how steep a line is. For example, I'm going to draw two lines, this one and this one. Let's say I will say this line 1, this is line 2. If we look at the line 1 is more steep than the line 2. So I will say the gradient of line 1 is more than the gradient of line 2. Let's take another line 3. Now if we compare all these three lines, so line 3 is having more steepness than line 1 and line 2. So I will say gradient of line 3 is more than line 1 and line 2. To know the mathematical meaning of gradient of a line, first have a look at this line. Now if we start this line, let's say this is point A and this is point B. To reach from A to B, we need to follow this path AB. But if we look at the steepness, first we can move horizontally and then we can move vertically. The horizontal path is termed as run and the vertical path is termed as rise. When we move horizontally, there will be change in x, and when we move vertically, there will be change in y. So it means we can say the gradient is equal to rise over run, or gradient is equal to change in y over change in x. In our next video, inshallah, we will learn how to find the gradient of a line in coordinate system.